LLC. My lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina. Well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today, I'm coming here because I want to talk to you about March the 13th. Once again, on March 13th, I'm going to be having what we call a free Radford Homes flip seminar at one of my flip properties that I'm currently flipping live. And you should be there. Why you should be there? Well, that's a great question. Well, I'm going to be teaching you everything that I know as far as how I found properties, how I locate properties, how I vet the deal, how I have the contractors come in and help me out, or how I help them out because we work together as a team. And I'm going to tell you about the team concept of real estate and how that you could turn a profit in making a real estate transaction as far as what we call a BITURBO. What's a BITURBO? I'm glad you asked. A BITURBO is a buy, rehab, renovate. Well, let me slow it down. Buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. All right. So that's what they call on the Bigger Pockets podcast. They name that the BITURBO. All right. Brandon Turner, probably somebody before him named that. But that's a great way where you can actually buy a property and don't have no money into the property. What I mean by that? Well, if you buy a property below the market value, and the property is worth, you buy it for $50,000, but the property is worth $100,000. So you got a $50,000 discount because you had to fix it up. All right, you go in, you fix it up, you put $25,000 into it. Now you into it for $75,000, and you BITURBO it out. They'll give you back all of your money. They'll give you 75% of the loan to value ratio. That means you get, if the property appraised for $100,000, the bank will give you back a cash out refinance and give you back your $75,000. Now you have zero money into the property. You then take the cash flow from that, and then that becomes your monthly bonus, whatever you want to call it. All right, besides your vacancies and your repairs, because you're gonna have vacancies sometime and you're gonna have repairs on a house. So if you want to learn more about that, you should come check me out on March the 13th at 2 p.m. We've been doing what we call like a cohort thing, taking you through a journey of flipping a house from A to Z. And that way, if you think you want to get in this business, you already been seen it once, so you should be able to do it the second time. Me and my homeboy out here just fishing right now. What up, Premier Dream Homes? You got your line in the water? All right. We're going to get jump on this pontoon boat as we always do and just have a good little time. Once again, I'm Greg, on behalf of Radford Homes LLC. My lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina. Well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty, and she is a licensed realtor. So if you're looking for somebody who can take you around, look at a nice house, make sure you get pre-qualified first, or you trying to buy a flip house, the whole 9 yards, come talk to us. Come vibe with us on March the 13th. Come check us out. If you like it, keep it moving. Find you something and then you pay it back. We're charging you zero. No money. No money. Strictly just giving the game away to somebody who's hungry and they want to learn it. All right? Paying it forward. All right, this is Greg, man. I'm out of here, man. We got to go do that thing. Let's do it, Mooney. Bim ya.
Super Bowls to be at way better than Minnesota. No offense to my Minnesota. If you're a Vikings fan, I'm sorry. But Tampa Bay is a beautiful day today. We're having a good time. Got the most live fans that is in Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Where you at, Tampa Bay? Let me hear you, Tampa Bay Buccaneers. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. No, we're loving it. Finally having a beautiful
giving it up.
Go Bucs, baby. I dropped my thing, my Radford Home thing. All right, let's do it, man.
Go in the very last row. Very last row.
Okay.
All objects from their pocket as they face coverings for vents, those are not permitted at all. If you need a face covering, just see our fan service tent. They will give you a complimentary disposable face mask. Also,
Woohoo! Super Bowl experience, Tampa. Radford Homes, Super Bowl experience in Tampa. Check it out. Go Tampa Bay.
If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to let us know before we help you guys out. Now, one rule I didn't talk about how you're going to wait is you got a mask right now.
Let it play.
Stop 1 at the American Victory Ship, stop 2 at Sparkman Wharf, stop 3 at the Tampa Bay History Center, and stop 4 at Harbor Island. If you're
Hey. Oh.